How to improve listening skills. The next day at school, a student raised an important question about how to improve listening skills, seeking the best approaches to enhance his ability to understand spoken English. The teacher appreciated the question, emphasizing that strong listening skills are foundational for effective communication. Without the ability to comprehend spoken language, engaging in meaningful conversations becomes significantly challenging. The teacher explained that good listening skills are not just about hearing words but understanding their meaning within context. To be effective communicators, learners must be able to interpret nuances, emotions, and intentions conveyed through speech. Listening is a skill that requires active engagement and practice, much like any other language skill. The teacher highlighted that while numerous resources are available online for English learners, finding the right listening materials can sometimes be overwhelming. She outlined two primary types of materials: audio content and films. Each requires a specific approach to maximize learning. Audio content. When engaging with audio content, such as podcasts or audiobooks, it's crucial to be familiar with a majority of the vocabulary used. The teacher recommended that listeners should understand at least 95% of the words in the audio. If the content includes many unfamiliar terms, it's beneficial to preview the text or transcript beforehand. This practice allows learners to grasp the general context and focus on extracting meaning from the spoken language during listening. Strategies for listening to audio content. Pre-listening preparation. Read the transcript or related material before listening to familiarize yourself with new vocabulary and the overall theme. Active listening. While listening, pay close attention to the context and intonation to infer meaning even when some words are not understood. Repeat and review. Listen to the audio multiple times. Start with full focus on understanding the content, then gradually shift to picking up nuances and details on subsequent listens. Use simplified resources. Opt for books and audio materials designed for language learners. Simplified English books with accompanying audio recordings are excellent for gradual improvement. Resources like graded readers can be particularly helpful as they are tailored to different proficiency levels. Films and videos. For improving listening skills through films and videos, the teacher advised starting with content that matches the learner's vocabulary knowledge. It's helpful to watch films with subtitles initially to understand the plot and context. After becoming familiar with the storyline, rewatching the film without subtitles helps in improving comprehension and reinforcing vocabulary. Strategies for watching films and videos. Start with subtitles. Begin with subtitles to understand the context and dialogue. Gradually transition to watching without subtitles to challenge your listening skills. Choose engaging content. Select films or videos on topics that interest you. Engaging content makes the learning process enjoyable and less monotonous. Repetition. Rewatching the same film or video can enhance comprehension. Each viewing allows you to catch more details and understand dialogues better. Watch reality shows. Reality shows often follow predictable formats and use everyday language, making them easier to follow and understand. They also provide insight into various aspects of culture and real-life language use. Daily practice and patience. The teacher emphasized the significance of daily practice. Dedicate at least 30 minutes each day to listening activities. Consistency is key in language learning. The more frequently you expose yourself to spoken English, the more proficient you'll become. Additional tips for effective listening practice. Varied sources. Diversify your listening materials. Include news broadcasts, educational videos, and conversations to experience different accents and speaking styles. Listening comprehension exercises. Use online platforms and apps that offer listening comprehension exercises. These exercises often include questions that test your understanding and help track your progress. Join discussion groups. Participate in English-speaking forums or discussion groups. Engaging in conversations with others can improve both listening and speaking skills. Use language learning apps. Many apps offer listening exercises and practice tailored to different levels. These can be useful for structured and interactive learning. Note-taking. While listening, jot down key points or unfamiliar words. Reviewing these notes later can aid in reinforcing learning and improving vocabulary. Celebrating progress. Finally, the teacher encouraged students to celebrate their progress, no matter how small. Even if you only understand a small portion of the material initially, each sentence you grasp is a step forward. Listening is one of the most accessible ways to learn, as it primarily involves passive engagement. The student thanked the teacher for the valuable advice and acknowledged how it would help in enhancing his listening skills. The teacher concluded with a reminder. To become proficient in listening, aim for at least 30 minutes of practice each day. Consistent effort will lead to improvement over time. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more updates on my London learning journey. For a deeper dive into all the videos I've uploaded, be sure to check out my playlist. Your support means a lot, and subscribing helps you stay updated with all the latest content. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to sharing more with you soon.